biggest installation that I've done here is my mechanical orchestra. The way that I introduce the rhythms with those are with the solenoid actuators that move a piece of steel wire out in the path of the rolling ring. The ring weighs probably 55 pounds or so, and it produces quite a thump on the table. Unamplified, it doesn't amount to a whole lot, but with amplification, it can become quite substantial. And again, with the way that I can color that sound with equalization, this is quite a number of timbres which I can achieve. There's some pieces that I play that are scripted just for that instrument alone without any resonators running, and then I do a drum solo